Week 4 is the graduation week from the training boot camp that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided us with. Ramadan is almost over, but your training and your function and your mission is never over. Ramadan is a reset button to delete all of our old habits. Overpower your nafs so it's controlled by you, not the other way around. Knowledge must produce action, because without action, knowledge is not useful. So this action should continue after Ramadan. Namaz or our prayer must remain. Guarding our tongue must remain. Preserving our patience must remain. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ clearly showed us amazing examples of planning. So after Ramadan, don't just go back to your own usual self. Plan your year ahead, from worshipper to worker, from fasting to serving, because you understand how fasting feels. So you address their pain points, because leadership is all about service. And now the final question. Will Shawwal erase everything that Ramadan built? I hope not. In that training boot camp of patience, of virtue, of collective thinking, of unity, of charity, and to control your desire, Ramadan actually trained you fully. Now deploy the training and use that material that you built inside you and outside you. The training is not wasted, and you become the leader that you need and the world deserves. For Deen in real life, remember, Ramadan is over. Our mission is not.